With patients and prognoses as unique as a fingerprint, how do you transform the neurorecovery journey? How do you offer better outcomes? How do you harness hope at every possible turn to eliminate walls and break boundaries? You do it with innovation. Behold, the machine and us, the machinists, the dreamers and builders who shatter the norms. We use AI precision to change the human condition. We move bodies and mountains one step at a time. You do it with data. We innovate for better outcomes with empathy and purpose. Go beyond the surface. Analysis is everything. Mark progress against baselines. Exceed targets and plan. With the most researched robotic rehabilitation technology available. You do it with experience. Born in the heart of the Cambridge Innovation Hub, our robotic research is recognized by the American Stroke Association, the US Department of Veterans Affairs, the American Heart Association, and more than 200 scientific publications. With thousands of improved patient outcomes, our solutions are safe and effective for stroke, cerebral palsy, acquired brain injury, MS, and Parkinson's conditions in patients aged 4 and older. Join us in the neurorecovery revolution. We are BIONIK.